This is the parietal eye, also known as the third eye. It's photoreceptive and is associated with the pineal gland, regulating the circadian rhythm and hormone production of thermal regulation. This is the nuchal crest. These are the caudal spines. This is the subtympanic shield. And right here is the tympanum. This is the dewlap, which is a flap of skin beneath the lower jaw used to ward off predators and for males to attract females during mating season. To determine the sex of an iguana, externally you will see femoral pores and a hemipenal bulge on males. These will not be present on females.
Iguana feet have an elongated digit with an extra joint that is used to help wrap around trees when climbing. A unique feature to some lizards is the detachment of their tails when attempting to escape from predators. Iguanas have muscle bundles with special attachments to the vertebrae in the tail. These are areas where it is easier for the tail to break should a predator grab a hold of the iguana's tail. The detached piece of tail thrashes and wiggles to distract the predator while the iguana runs to safety. Iguanas do not regrow their tails as quickly or as consistently as some species of geckos, which can drop their tails, run off, and in a month or so have a brand new tail. Tail regrowth in iguanas depends on a few things: the age of the iguana, the health of the iguana, and to a certain extent where the tail was detached.
This right here is the longissimus dorsi. If you look closely, these thicker muscles coming down the ribs are the iliocostals. Down here, we have the external intercostals. Near the shoulder, we have this triangular trapezius-looking muscle. To get a better look, here's this figure.
Iguana trunk muscles are segmented, which help when they undulate their body when swimming. This musculature pattern isn't seen in mammals such as the mink because they have 3 bundles of muscles that extend from the pelvis to the head, 2 of those muscles being the longissimus and iliocostal muscles.
This is the stomach. Herbivores tend to have smaller stomachs because they process less food at a time. Attached to the stomach is the small intestine. Iguanas are hindgut fermentators, which means they have a long digestive system. This is the cecum, attached to the large intestine. The cecum helps break down plant materials such as cellulose.
Our iguana is a female, and as you can see here, these are the ovaries. When the male copulates with the female iguana, he enters through the cloaca, the same opening used to excrete fecal matter. As you can see, the probe is now into the colon.